Let's make cheesy fruit skewers. This recipe makes 1 serving. For this recipe, you will need 3 chunks of fruit. This can be your favorite kind of fruit, but some options are strawberries, kiwi, grapes, pineapple, apples, or oranges. You also need 3 cheese chunks of any kind. You need a plate, a knife, and a skewer. First, always wash your hands and surfaces before working with food. Wash the fruit, peel any fruit that needs peeled, such as kiwi, pineapple, and oranges. Then cut the fruit into chunks. If needed, cut the cheese into chunks. Put the fruit and cheese on a skewer. If you don't have a skewer, that's okay. Place the fruit and cheese on a plate. Enjoy! Refrigerate leftovers immediately.